ICD-10 JJ-10A, page 348, exercise 5, and this is a level 2 exercise, and it reads like this.
Patient readmitted with bleeding due to retained placenta 1 week following previous hospital admission for spontaneous abortion.
Okay, the patient was readmitted with bleeding due to retained placenta 1 week following previous hospital admission for spontaneous abortion. Okay, so that is the problem. Now we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and give us the ICD-10 code for this problem. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are 2 codes. The first code is O03.1 and the second code is Z3A.00. Okay, if you got those 2 codes right, you just go to the next video. If you didn't get them right, then let's give you a couple of tips. First tip.
Level 2 difficulty. There are 2 codes.
There are 2 codes, not just one. That's what we consider level 2. Tip number 2.
Start with hemorrhage because the patient was admitted due to the bleeding.
Right, the patient comes to the hospital because the patient is bleeding, and he gets admitted because of that. So you have to start with hemorrhage because that's the reason why the patient comes into the hospital. Okay, from there you go to the reason of the bleeding, and then you keep following the path. Okay, and the third tip.
The second code is for weeks of gestation, unspecified.
Any code within this range, 000 through 09A, has to have a second code for
weeks of gestation.
And then see note
under Z3A, weeks of gestation.
Weeks of gestation, okay? Now with these 3 tips, you should be able to get the path to the answers, okay? So we're going to count to 3 so you can give us the path now to the answers. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's read the whole summary now. The patient readmitted with bleeding due to retained placenta 1 week following previous hospital admission for spontaneous abortion. The first code is found like this.
First you go to index.
Index.
Then you go to hemorrhage.
Uh-huh.
Then you go to complicated.
Uh-huh.
Then you go to abortion.
Well, abortion, what does it tell? Where does it send you?
See abortion by type, complicated by hemorrhage.
See abortion by type, complicated by hemorrhage. So go there.
Okay, abortion.
Go abortion.
Incomplete spontaneous.
That's the type.
Complicated by.
Complicated by.
Hemorrhage.
Hemorrhage. And you get?
003.1.
003.1. Now we're going to check this code in the tabular. So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First you go to tabular.
Tabular.
Then you go to 003.
Uh-huh.
That's the first characteristics.
Uh-huh.
Spontaneous abortion.
Right.
Then you go to add another digit. 003.1. Delayed or excessive hemorrhage incomplete.
And then we have an equal sign, meaning that we double check that this is the right code. Now the code number 2. The code number through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Index.
Then you go to pregnancy.
Pregnancy.
Weeks of gestation.
Weeks of gestation.
And not specified.
Not specified, and then it's
Z3A.00.
And then the tabular to check this code.
First you go to tabular.
Uh-huh.
Then you go to Z3A, weeks of gestation.
Right.
In the census note, any code within 000 through 09A has to have a second code for weeks of gestation.
All right.
So here's Z3A.0 unspecified.
Unspecified.
And then Z3A.00 not specified.
All right. And that is where we have an equal sign at the end, which means that this is the right second code. Okay. So again, the answer is 003.1 and Z3A.00. Okay. Thanks for watching, and please visit our website.